Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 9 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of x, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we will divide each side by 4 to the power of x in this way. So after that we will combine the exponents of these two terms, and we will write it as 9 over 4 to the power of x minus, here you combine the exponents and we write 6 over 4 to the power of x is equal to, here you have these two are gone and you get 1. So after that we will rewrite the term as, we can write this 9 as 3 square, and we write this 4 as 2 square and its whole power x minus, here you cancel out these two terms, so 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6, so you get 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. After that we can apply here the nice exponential law, and you know that if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, so it is equals to a to the power of n to the power of n. It means that you can just interchange any exponent, any nested exponents. If you have m to the power of n, you can write n to the power of m. Okay, so now here I can just interchange these exponents. First I can simplify this term, and we can write in simplified form as 3 over 2 its power 2 and whole power x minus 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. And now we can apply here this exponential law, and we just exchange these exponents so that it will becomes 3 over 2 to the power of x and its whole square minus 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. After that we take here y is equal to 3 over 2 to the power of x, so that this exponential equation will becomes in quadratic form, and it will be written as y square minus y is equal to 1. And now we move this 1 from right to the left hand side, and it will becomes y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. And now we can solve this problem for by using the quadratic formula. And you know about the quadratic formula. We have y is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4 times of ac square root and whole over 2 times of a. And here you have the values of a is 1, b is minus 1, and c is again minus 1. So now you put all the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula, so that it will be written as y is equal to, here you have minus b and the value of b is minus 1. When you put here, it will become plus 1 plus minus, here you have b square, the value of b is minus 1 and minus 1 square is plus 1. Here you have minus 4 times of a is 1 and the value of c is minus 1 and its square root over 2. And now we simplify this quadratic terms. So here you get 1 plus minus, here you have minus minus plus, and 1 plus 4 is square root 5 over 2. So here you have two cases. The first case is we write y is equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and the other case is we write y is equal to 1 minus square root 5 over 2. And in the start of the question we take the value of y is 3 over 2 to the power of x. So that now we back substitute the value of y. So it is 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 minus square root 5 over 2. First you focus on the second case, which is 1 minus square root 5 over 2, and you see that this is the negative term and this is the exponential term, and we know that it is always positive. So it is not possible positive terms equal to negative terms, so that we can reject it this case. Okay, or we can just proceed here this case only. So in order to find the value of x, we will take the log on this term. So when we take the log here, so that it will becomes log of 3 over 2 to the power of x is equals to log of 1 plus square root 5 over 2. And now we can apply the property of log, and you know that if we have log a over b, so it is equals to log of a minus log of b. Again you have the property of log is a to the power of b, so it is equals to b times of log a. So now we can apply these two properties of logarithm. So in the left hand side, this exponent will become in the front of this log, and we write x times of log 3 over 2 is equals to, and here again you can apply the property of this log, and you can write x times of log 3 minus log 2, and again we can apply this property on this term, and you get log of 1 plus square root 5 minus log 2. And now we move this term to the right hand side, and we get x is equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus log 2 over log of 3 minus log of 2. And now you can use the calculator to find the values of these all logs. So I can just write the final answer of this question, and which is 1.18 and 68. So when you can apply use the calculator and divide the terms, so you easily get the answer of this question is 1.1868. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.